And before actually you start working on that, you need to get to do the getter function. So now you are comparing names, right? So
Yes.
For every class or for every contact object inside the array, my contacts, you are getting the object, maybe for John, for example, and then you're comparing it to another object, right? But then you have to compare what? You're not comparing the whole object to the whole other object. You're only comparing the name of an object to a name of another object. So you need to use getName method. So you need to implement the getName inside the contact class. And then you use that to do the compare to. Compare to need a string. So getName does not take any parameters, does not take anything here. It just returns the name as it is stored. It takes just empty. Yes, it returns the name. This n disappears once this is finished executing. The one who remains is this name.
Well, then I'd also have to make a setter, right, for
Um,
this last part.
okay, you can make a setter. Fine. You are confused?
Oh, am I?
I'm not sure, but I want to understand from you. So may I know, just let me go back to the concept again. Come on top of the selection sort that you have done.
Oh wait, never. Yeah, I see the issue now.
Okay, good. Okay. Explain to me. This was initially an integer. Am I right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
now you put it as a string. Can I know why? Why it was put initially as an integer, and why now you decided to put it as a string? I'm not telling you the string is wrong. No, I'm just asking for, because you are changing. So when you change, there must be a reason, must be a direction.
Oh yeah. So for the original, the reason that it was an integer was because the array itself was an array of integers.
Okay,
So the temporary so first of all, the temporary value is set to the integer value at the min index in the array.
perfect. So and now we are having an array of what? Are we having array of strings or
Yes.
array of what? Are
Oh,
we
it's
have?
contacts. Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. Because what we want to swap from each position to another is an object of type contact, not the name only. Uh, when you put it like this, you are actually telling that temp is an array, but it's actually a single object. Same when you put it integer temp, you didn't put this mark or the square brackets. You only put yes. Yes, so it works now here. You see, it already works, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, I think you can give it a try and see if it works or not, but then you have to make a print statement, or you have to output so you have to print the contacts before and after the sort, so that we can know. So what do you think now? It's sorted, right? Is
Yeah,
it?
it is. Yeah, but not properly sorted.
Tell me, why is it not properly sorted? Are we missing something from the count?
Um,
Mm-hmm. Tell me.
I don't think that was the issue then. Um,
Can you tell me what is the issue in your eyes? Explain to me where do you see the issue? Now you already printed two of them, right? Before and after.
yes.
Now tell me what is the issue that you see. This one,
Well,
this one.
Should I put a print statement somewhere to see how it's working?
Yes, yes, you should. Can I know what is the sequence that we are following here? Um, so my question to you now is actually why we created this minimum index variable.
Oh wait, I just well now it works.
Okay,
So
but do you
the
have a
min
reason?
index is there. Yeah, the min index is there because
Leo, I
the
can't hear you.
is
Take
the
your breath
audio.
and focus. I mean, there is no problem. Just slowly tell me what was the issue and why you needed to change to minimum index. Leo, you still hear me, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So what was the reason that the minimum index caused that issue to us?
So the minimum index is the value for the index, like specifically used to store the value that's the minimum alphabetically. So that's the one that should be there for the comparative. Because otherwise, if you just put I, then it will always just pick the uh, then it will always just pick the value that's before J instead.
Yes, so it will be fixed. So here the minimum index actually change. Once he move on from this position until the end, it will keep changing based on the minimum value that we would like to that we keep storing, right? So this is the index of the minimum that we keep always keeping in our pocket once we do this comparison. And even here, when you put here I and then you do the swapping based on the minimum, not on the I. So of course لا. So is it clear?
But yeah,
Okay. You're sure you're not confused?
oh no, I understand.
Okay. So now, what else should we do now?
The binary search.
Okay. Would you like a reminder of, I mean, you need me to send you the original code to modify it? Because I mean, the original code is actually designed for normal integers. You can modify it easily for string using compare to also, um, but still need some work. So I can just give you,
Yes, then I'll go off of the slides. Yeah.
okay, let me see here. Yeah.
the issue is that it's not returning?
So, Leo, let me clarify that. When you say a function return a contact, so it will always have to return contact. If you look at the original algorithm, it's always returning an integer, right? And if you also return follow the original algorithm, it returns sometimes -1 or the index where it find um, it can be the middle in this case, the index where it find the item that it was searching for. So it doesn't really return um, the item itself, right? It just returns
Yes.
the. Am I right? Can you
Yes.
check? Okay, good. So it returns middle. So we don't want to play around here. So here in your case, you're returning a contact, and we was not returning that before. So let us go back to the original, not to complicate the manner, because why? Yes, return the middle here, okay? And wait, the problem that is appearing to you is just because you didn't put a return statement here. So it means that we only reach the middle. So there is two things. First, the while loop, once it reaches this condition, okay, if it is if this condition become not true anymore, it become false, it will exit the loop. If it exits the loop, we need to have a return statement that works according to what we wrote here. So we cannot leave that place empty without a return statement. This return statement will only work if we manage to find something in that we are searching for. But what if we didn't? What if we searched the whole array and we didn't find what we are looking for? We still have to return something that comply with what we are writing here. That's why in the original algorithm, you find him write return -1. -1 can actually be something that we check at the end to say, okay, if we return -1, it means we didn't find anything. If we return something bigger than -1, it means that, okay, what we're returning is the real index of the item inside the array. Did you get what I say, or I repeat again?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so now, did you look for the binary search or even call it inside your main function? Okay, yes, but okay, that's fine, but then yes, you have to catch what is passing to you. Something is wrong, Leo.
It's,
If it printed like that and then it hang in the way that it's hanging, it means that it's searching forever. So we have to stop. So put some print statement inside your while loop so that we can see. And inside your while loop, yeah, I prefer that you print the values of left, right, and middle so that we know. So you see it's hanging. So it keep printing that values and it never changed. Left, right, and middle. So definitely there is some errors there. Okay, that's excellent. Excellent, Leo. Excellent. So now you already created the main components of find by name method. In the find by name method, you have to sort and search. So do you know what? Can you check the slide that I sent to you initially for this search by name? Oh, find by name.
Yes.
So inside find by name, then you have to sort and then make a binary search, and then you can return either the index, or you can return true, or you can even print the item, print the content of the. Now you are printing get name. You are printing only the name of the contact. But in this case, I would say if you have the index of the person that you managed to if you have the index, so you can use my context to print all the content. So you can use toString here in this case to print one whole line, the information of the contact that you're searching for. Because when you are searching a contact list, you are searching a name, you are searching by name. It means that you need to know all the information related to that person, right? You're not only interested in the name, because the name is that you already give to them here, right?
Yes.
So I think your homework, part of your homework, is to create that simple function. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's excellent. Although you should create a method by it, but okay. I think what you're doing is excellent. So yes, you printed it here. So the correct way is that you have to prompt the user to ask him to give a name. So you take an input from the user. You tell him, okay, give me those find by name, and then do you know how to take an input from the user?
Yes, using a scanner.
Scanner, exactly. So you take some input from the user, and he give you some words here, some name, and then you search for it, and then you show it in this way. But anyhow, you already managed to get the meat of it. Okay.
Yes.
The tricky part here then, if we would like to search by relation, so that's really your homework. So you have to, if you search by relation, then you have to sort by relation. You see here, brother, mom, me, friend, dad, aunt, friend. So you search by relation means that, okay, I want to get all the friends, not only one. Here we're only returning one person. You're searching by name. All the codes that you write return only one thing to you. Okay. Now you want to sort not only by one item. You want to sort everything related to friend, and then you want to binary search, not only return one index like you're getting here. You need to get all the friends. So that is the trick that I need you to think about. Okay.
Yes.
Can you do that, please?
Yeah.
Not now, it's a homework, but
Yeah, as
again,
homework. Yeah.
yes. So again, I will wait for you. What you're going to give to me?
The list of the topics in order of like or priority.
Okay, so can I get it to you so that I can prepare the slides in 1 or 2 days from now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so do you have any other questions to me?
No.
So did you take the binary tree search? I mean,
Learn
not
about
here.
it.
It's a topic.
Yeah, I've learned about it.
Okay, good. Okay, then yalla, see you next time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care then. Bye bye.